Caspians, I am back with another video for you guys. Kaspa sitting at 0.33 cent, $688 million in market cap, $9.2 million in 24-hour trade volume. We got some huge news about the 10 BPS mainnet going live, and in this video we're gonna dive into a nice little thread from a community member that's been in Kaspa very early on why he thinks Cas can hit $5 in the future. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to watch the video until the end. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. Let's take over the space together, man. Tune into the live streams. We always have a ton of fun in the live streams. So guys, we see Kaspa, on the trend line. Hopefully, I'm so proud of myself. I'm not the best at TA, but I'm so proud of myself that the lines that I drew, Kaspa is respecting these trend lines, guys. Like, it respected it back here, respecting it here once again, and then it literally bounced off the line, man. You can't make this stuff up. 32 cent is where 32 cent where it's bounced off the line. So this is now support clearly. And we'd like to see Cas make a move up, break this resistance, turn it into support, and then continue on its journey to new all-time highs. Price discovery and new all-time highs. But we'll see what happens, right? Overall, the market, had some great news. Overall, the market has some great news, but as soon as Bitcoin made that move up, it already retraced the move. Billions of dollars in like what, a minutes or hours, right? And then boom, billions of dollars gone. This market is so butt cheeks right now, but eventually it's gonna get to a point in time where all of us will be smiling and giddy, ready to buy our yachts, our mansions. All it takes is patience, man. And yeah, so the rest of the market obviously, affected by that, but we'll see more and more bullish news play out as time progresses. We are seeing more and more signs of the impending bull market. It's getting closer and closer. You could say it's already here, right? Because the bottom of the market was in last year. That was the bottom. You could say the like I said in my previous video, the bull market is here, right? We're just gonna see that full effect as time progresses, right? That's when we're gonna see the full effect. And right here from Braver Crypto, why can Cas hit $5? Why can Cas hit $5? Okay, it's based on a really simple math as well as data analysis of past and future cycles. Zoning in on expected future overall crypto market cap range is crucial too. A revolutionary game-changing tech like Cas, which is why I'm personally bullish on it. Remember, guys, there's other DAG projects that came out trying to say, oh yeah, well, DAG is taking over. These are other DAGs. Kaspa is the king of DAG technology. We've known this. You've seen my previous video. So the utility is there, right? And it is revolutionary, game-changing technology that we've never seen before. Kaspa is a step above blockchain, right? My name is Blockchain Daily. People said I should change my name to Block DAG Daily, right? But we already know that it's gonna get to a point in time where blockchain may be obsolete technology, and projects like Kaspa take the place of so many layer ones, right? To take their spot, and even Ethereum, for example, it could take Ethereum's spot because of block DAG and DAG Knight technology that Jonathan and Avziv Zohar created. Remember, Ghost Inspector, which is used in Ethereum, is old technology, right? Developed by one of the brightest teams and with one of the most impressive, dedicated, and rapidly growing communities I've witnessed in the entire history of the crypto market, and which has been absolutely killing it as a fear-launched crypto project with zero value all the way to the current all-time high of 51 cent and $1 billion in market cap in the freaking bear market. In the freaking bear market in caps. Naturally, Kaspa is going to be big overall winner of the bull run. It only makes sense. It's gonna be a big winner overall. If you got a portfolio of altcoins with great utility, you gotta have Cas in that portfolio. You're gonna miss out on, you in this space to make money, right? You're gonna miss out on gains if you don't own Kaspa, man. Obviously, I know there's people out there that aren't gonna be maxis or whatever. Nothing's wrong with that. And the people that are maxis, more power to you as well. But you gotta have cash in that portfolio, man. I'm telling you, this is an altcoin you can't pass up going into the bull cycle, right? Look at what it did in the bear market, in the freaking bear market. What is it gonna do in the bull run? A bull run that is likely to hit between $5 trillion and $10 trillion in overall crypto market cap value. This part is it. What? The bull market, we may see a 10x on the overall crypto market cap? What? A 5 to 10x on the overall. Whoa. Yo, guys, I'm telling you, you guys are not prepared for what's coming in the bull market, man. You are not prepared. This part is important. So since this is the case, let's do some math and past market comparisons. Gas is expected to have approximately 24 billion coins mined into circulation by 2025. Let's assume the peak of the bull run will be in 2025 as most expect. Okay, sounds about right. 4-year cycles. With 24 billion coins, how high of a market cap value will Cas need to be in order to reach $5 per coin? The answer is 120 billion market cap. Is 120 billion market cap even possible? Of course it is. Even without the finished smart contract implementation, yes. Let's go to previous projects, man, like Cardano. What's Cardano's all-time high market cap? 94 billion. Oh, man. Oh, 120 billion. Oh, come on, man. Why? Well, let's compare the contrast Cas with past example that ran to close to 100 billion market cap with zero product or any actual achievement. It's, and I just brought it up. I sensed where Braver Crypto was going, and I brought it up before he even mentioned it. It's ADA, Cardano. Not knocking on Cardano here, by the way. The reality is that it was an impressive concept with a strong community and leadership. It also happens to be a proof-of-stake blockchain with 26 billion coins of its total supply distributed before launch. During this impressive run, ADA ran from less than 1 billion market cap all the way to 96 billion market cap on pure hype. And let's be honest, does anybody use the smart contracts? Is anybody, trading on Cardano, using the blockchain of Cardano often, like Ethereum, for example? I can't knock Ethereum. Everybody uses Ethereum, all the time. Everybody on Ethereum buying all kinds of crap coins or, Telegram bots, AI projects. There's so many D-apps developed on Ethereum. So you can't knock Ethereum because it's actually being used. Is anybody really using Cardano? Like, I never saw, even Solana, for example. Solana had a huge wave of NFTs. Like, so many people that went to Solana for NFTs, for example, right? People were using Solana. No disrespect to Cardano, but, it went to, like, it went to just under 100 billion market cap with barely anybody using it. With no use. Just hype and, community, right? And expected potential with the future smart contract implementation, right? So it ran from a bill to 96 bill on pure hype and expected potential of this future smart contract implementation. Now we have Cas, fear launch proof of work block tag that truly solved the blockchain trilemma more than any other by being 100% scalable without sacrificing even a tiny bit of decentralization or security. Kaspa also managed to achieve the previous unachievable by succeeding network speeds faster than any other blockchain or block DAG in existence with 1 BPS block per second, right, on their mainnet. They also have currently 10 BPS successfully running on the testnet, and the goal is to scale to a whopping 100 BPS, which 10 BPS mainnet is coming soon. 1 BPS isn't a dream, it's not reality, it's been achieved. Let's not forget projects like ADA, ETH, File, and many others are able to produce BPS that they can thanks to the inventions of the Kaspa founder, Jonathan Sampolinsky at #DAG. And you guys could check my previous videos, check out Captain Sat's Twitter account with a number of different videos showing you the documentation, showing you, hey, Jonathan was instrumental in a lot of these projects, accomplishing those BPS through Ghost, Spectre, Phantom, which is old technology, and the ultra talented dev team at Kaspa. The Kaspa team is on a mission to have crypto match and even surpass internet speeds with little to no network latency. That's all quite revolutionary. As a P2P stateless digital money that fulfills the original vision and objective of Satoshi Nakamoto with BTC, Kaspa has already succeeded. Merchant locations across the globe are adopting Kaspa as an accepted currency on a regular basis. We've seen that as well, showed you guys videos on that. In fact, my own LLC, a private Discord global crypto community, crypto traders and investors will be signing up as an official Kaspa currency accepting merchant as well, just like that, man. Then add in future smart contract implementation, which will open up arguably the most impressive ecosystem for dApps, DeFi, and the like. One where I guarantee you developers from all corners of the earth will flock to build their beloved projects on. And you've got a revolutionary powerhouse. Up in the stakes in the game of our crypto space that we haven't seen since Bitcoin and Ethereum themselves came into existence. That's Kaspa. That's why we could see 120 billion and $5 per coin Kaspa during the peak of the coming bull market. FYI, there is no next Kaspa. Kaspa is right here in front of you, and if you miss it, then you miss it. If you are on the journey, then you've got a big brain. Crypto. That's why I say, man, 50k to 100k Kas, you set. Even 10k Kas, you make some gains, man. PK Crypto, you always right to the point. What a court, there's no Kas. Kas is right in front of you. Great post from Offshore Digital. 100% agree. It traded up or down. Everybody in here say, hey, Vlado, the truth about Kas. 100% from Crypto Holiday. You know, D-Block, fire emojis. Crypto Phoenix. I'm not too much into giving long-term predictions. They depend, in my opinion, too much factors we can't control. But one cannot argue the Kas has potential to do an insane run once bullishness is back. And that's what I'm saying. You know, even if it doesn't hit that $5 target, let's be honest, they got gains incoming from here, right? They got gains still incoming from here for Kas, man. You know, they definitely got more gains incoming. So, Caspians, I have more stuff available. We'll probably do that in the next video. Let me get your thoughts down below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. Let's take over the space together. Join the live streams. We always have fun on the live streams. Become a channel member. Feel free to donate with super thanks as well. Become a Patreon member to support the channel. Thank y'all so much once again. I'll catch you in the next one.